Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video will be about Raspberry Pi in automation, creating a mini web server which will allow you to control all the GPIO ports on the Raspberry Pi. The link to all the instructions and the code can be found down to this video description. I will try to be as short as possible. Once the Raspberry Pi is on, open the terminal window and enter all the command lines in order listed in the link. First, you have to update and upgrade your Raspberry Pi. Once you've done all this, that will take a while. Yeah, you need you need some time to finish this one. Once the updates are done, double check if you have the latest Python onto your Raspberry Pi. If not, you have to install the latest one. Next step will be install the pip extension for the Python. That one will allow you to install the Flask libraries for the miniWeb server. To do that, use this command line sudo pip install Flask. Once it's done, I will recommend you to reboot it. Once your Pi is rebooted, go to the Pi folder and create two folders called static and template. Okay. In the home directory, you have to create the Python file. In my case, I called it HTML Pi. To create the HTML Pi file and index HTML file, I'm using the Genie programmer's editor. You just open the file, go to the website, look for the script. That's really easy to follow. This script is for the HTML Pi. Copy. Come on, go down. Come on, I know you can. Okay, copy. Easy. Paste. All done. Yeah. And now we can save this file. Save as. Okay, save as. You choose your folder, the Pi folder, and the name will be html.py. I already have this file. I will save it with a different name. Okay, save. Once I save it, the programmer editor knows what kind of language I'm writing, and look how beautiful is everything. All the comments lighted up, different colors on all the values in here, and it's easier for you to follow everything. Okay, now we have the HTML file. Okay, we can open a new one and save it straight away to have everything saved with the index. Index dot html. I already have this one. I will give it another name just in case. Okay, that's it. Now we go to the website and copy the file. Okay, I will copy it just from here. That the top is just a comment. copy and paste everything. It's in here. Done. And save again. Save all of them. That's it. Okay, now a new file. To be able to run those files every time when the Raspberry Pi is booting up, you need to have a load up automatically those files. What you can do, create a new file. We save it as, I called it in my case launcher. .ch. Yeah, I already have it. Okay, I will give it another name. Okay, save. It's another one. Okay, replace it. No. Oh, I've done it twice. Okay, I've done some small tests. Okay, save. Come on, I know you can. Okay, and on to the website again. We have the link for this file because we know all the files where are saved. We need to copy this. Copy. Onto the website, I used none on the terminal, but you can do it with this one as well. Paste. Okay, we don't need the space on the top. Okay. This break. Okay. What happened with this file? Every time when you boot it up, this file will be launched, and we'll go step by step. We change the directories to the home, to the root, then go to the home and Pi. Wait for 120 seconds. I've done this one because I find it easier. At the beginning, this will start up at the beginning of the Pi, and might not be the IP address allocated already. Maybe from the server or something happened. And I'm waiting for 120 seconds to boot it up. Okay, and then the script will go straight to execute the HTML Pi and then go back to the home directory. That's it. All done. First, to be able to run this launcher, you have to make it executable. Yeah. Using in a terminal, paste this command, copy, you go to the terminal, come on, Raspberry Pi, open, copy, paste, and enter. That's it. You can double check if everything is done. Launcher, click right on the file, properties, and the permission is anyone. Yeah, in the beginning it's nobody, and now it's anyone. Cancel. Okay. Once you've done this one, you know it's executable. You have to change on to the RC local. You have to add this command. You go to the RC local, copy, again terminal, copy paste, and now we edit this file. In my case, I added this shortcut for the file on the beginning. Save the file. You have to use for exit, it's Ctrl X. I will ask you if you wanted to really save it. Yes. You want to overwrite the name? Yes, I want it. And now reboot. and I will come back when it's rebooted. Hopefully everything will work just fine. Oh, Ras done. Come back in a few seconds. Okay, it's running. Okay, now the red LED, it's off. Turn it on, it's on, and we have what GPIO we used and the status of the LED. Off, on, off, on. Easy. And you can see it's on. This shield I created for the Raspberry Pi 0, and I will make a small video about this one as well. And with this one you might be able to run to 40 volts devices, turn them on and off, and hopefully I can do the PWM on 240 volts as well. I made it for my recycled TV panels. A new video is coming up. Okay, on, off, on, off. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and good luck in the future. See you in the next video. Thank you.